Hello, my name is Karan.
And I'm Saba.
Today we're talking about the Bhopal disaster in India. 35 years ago, there was a massive gas leak in Bhopal, India, where about 40 tons of methyl isocyanate spilled out of a plant.
All of this happened on December 3rd, 1984, and no civilian was ready for this accident to occur. At 11 p.m., a day before the accident occurred, an operator saw a small leak of the methyl isocyanate gas from a power plant and noticed the storage tank's pressure was increasing.
When checking on the safety gear, the vent gas scrubber was turned off 3 weeks before the incident was happening, and a 30-ton refrigeration unit was drained for the use of another project.
Nothing could be done as the storage tanks were out of use, so by 1 a.m., December 3rd, 1984, the pressure and heat from the tank soon gave way and caused the safety valve to let loose and allowing all of the gas to spread in the air.
The final death toll ended up being a range from 15,000 to 20,000 people, and about 500,000 people survived the disaster.
However, with that many people surviving, these people still suffered after effects because of the leakage. Some effects included respiratory problems, eye irritation or blindness, and other maladies. But some people did get compensation for suffering with the toxic leak exposure with a few $100s.
The incident caused the government of Bhopal, India to pass the Bhopal Gas Leak Disaster Act in order to fix the situation quickly and effectively.
Not only that, but the act makes sure that the government represents all of the victims in and out of India when dealing with all legal proceedings.
After dealing with many different claims of who is responsible for the incident, the UCC accepted full responsibility of the gas leak and gave the government $470 million in order to give their final claim.
Even though they gave the money, the Union Carbide Corporation would not reveal what toxin was in the gas, even to this day, which caused about 20,000 people to die. When the methyl isocyanate is exposed to extreme heat, and a very harmful chemical called hydrogen cyanide will form, and that is what the government claims to be in the gas, but the UCC would not say if it is true.
Furthermore, the UCC was not willing to clean up the leakage from the plant, and because of this, the toxins are still spreading around Bhopal to this day. They are mostly found in liquid aquifers and causes the water to contaminate.
Many lessons were learned from this tragic event, one being that expanding industrialization in countries that are developing without full safety regulations will have catastrophic results. The gas leak displayed how local industrial hazards are tied to global market dynamics.
This incident also showed how the national and international governments must make more applicable techniques in order to prevent accidents like these to happen in an industrial nation.
Hopefully these lessons will be taken into consideration as people today are still affected by the accident.
I do hope so too, but that does it for us. I'm Karan.
And I'm Sala, and this was our special news report by us. Thank you for taking the time to listen.